Free download and install IDM for lifetime. Search file CR on any browser. Open this website. Search IDM. Open this file. Click on Direct Download. Click to download. Save this file in your PC. Right-click on Downloaded File. Extract Files. OK. Password is 123. Open extracted file. Right-click on this file. Run as administrator. Install it by just clicking on Next and OK. Now open Windows Security Options. Open Virus and Threat Protection. Turn off Real-Time Protection. You can turn it on after installation. After installation it will not affect your IDM. Now right-click on the patch file. Extract this file. Open this folder. Right-click on this file. Run as an administrator. Click on Crack. Your IDM has been installed successfully. If you follow these steps, it will work, 100% guarantee. Follow for more.